Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Walter Wrights and creating a new project. Pick a clear goal, a blog draft, email, or ad. Once done, set tone and audience so outputs match voice and reading level. Make sure to define length as words or a % reduction to control verbosity. Then upload reference files or paste a URL for background context, because the model writes better with source material. Finally, click Generate to see the first draft and prepare to refine prompts. Now refine. Give Walter Wrights explicit role prompts like, "You are a finance writer," and include 2 short examples to set style. Once a draft appears, highlight passages and command expand, condense, or change tone. The editor applies edits in place, which speeds up micro-copy fixes. Make sure to use the versioning tool to save iterations. This lets you compare diffs and revert if needed. Remember to test different prompts. Small wording shifts often change voice and clarity dramatically. Finish by performing a final pass. Check grammar, factual claims, and brand voice consistency. Use the built-in checker where available. Once satisfied, choose export format, docx, PDF, or copy to clipboard, and select layout options because export settings preserve formatting. If outputs are consistently off, recalibrate. Provide clearer constraints, upload 1 or 2 stronger examples, or shorten the prompt to focus on one main objective. That troubleshooting step fixes most mismatch problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.